1:30 p.m. At 1:27 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over Dobbins Island, moving east at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessels. Locations of hazards include Fort Smallwood State Park, Love Point, Piper, Manistee River, Chester River, Sandy Point State Park, Gibson Island, Baltimore Light, Monster Point, and 7 Foot Knoll. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather